Hello, this is Miss Hurst and Mrs Goodwin, and we are going to show you how to make chocolate brownies. The equipment you will need is a mixing bowl, measuring jug, fork, spatula, baking tin, around 20 cm square is what we have used here, greaseproof paper, sharp knife, chopping board and a sieve. The ingredients you will need is 125 grams of butter. We recommend you use proper block butter rather than a vegetable spread or margarine, 125 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of caster sugar, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 2 eggs. There is an optional 100 grams of chocolate chips or 100 grams of sultanas. You could mix it up and do 50 grams of each, and also a dusting of icing sugar at the end. Both of these ingredients are optional. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Start by placing all your dry ingredients into your mixing bowl. That's your plain flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and if you are using your chocolate chips and sultanas, they go in now too, so that you coat them in flour and they are less likely to sink in your brownies. Next up, melt your butter in your measuring jug. Put it in the microwave and then keep checking every 30 seconds to see how much it has melted. You don't want to burn your butter. When your butter is melted, it will be a complete liquid state. Tip it straight into your dry ingredients, and then we're on to cracking your eggs. You can either use a knife to crack the shell, or you can use the side of your measuring jug. Whisk up the eggs with a fork before tipping into your mixing bowl. Use your spatula to combine all of your ingredients together. You don't want to overmix as it could make your brownies quite tough. You just want to make sure all the ingredients are combined. Once ready, tip into the centre of your baking tin. You can see we have a layer of silicone paper at the bottom of our tin, and then we've created tabs out of our greaseproof paper. If you only have greaseproof paper, you can line your tin with this instead. Once you have scraped all the mix out of the mixing bowl, use the spatula to ease the mixture from the centre of the tin to the edges, making a nice level surface. Place in the centre of your preheated oven for around 20 minutes. You will know when your brownie is cooked as it will have changed colour and you may have some cracks in the top. If you press down slightly, it will feel quite spongy in texture. You shouldn't use a sharp knife to pierce your brownie and see if it comes out clean as you would with a cake, as it may still be quite gooey in the middle and therefore the knife will not come out clean. Once the brownie is cool, we can use the greaseproof paper tabs to lift the brownie out of the tin and onto the chopping board. Depending on the size and shape of your tin, you can then use a sharp knife to cut into pieces. You can see we have a nice spongy texture to our brownie with lots of air bubbles. Once the brownies have been sliced and are completely cool, you can use a sieve to create a dusting of icing sugar over the top.